In this section, we'll be speaking in more detail and depth about the page element, which is another map element that we will use to continue building the BoomiFlow employee app. First off, a page element has more capabilities than a step element, but requires more configuration. As we said before, the purpose of the page element is to mimic an HTML form, and therefore it is used to create the structure of a page that users will interact with. The page element shows users a screen. Pages are extremely extensible. The page element gives the flow builder the ability to structure and display rich content. And with page components and containers, flow builders will build their own page elements. A page element, or page layout more specifically, can be used in any flow in your tenant. Page layouts are therefore reusable and pre-populated with information once created. The components and containers of the page layout will obviously remain the same. A word of caution with regards to page layouts though: edits to a page layout will update the page layout for the entire tenant. Saving a page layout is something we will practice often within our activities when working with the page element or page layouts. Page layouts do not save automatically, and therefore it is important, like in Atomsphere integration, to save frequently and whenever a change is made to a page layout. A page layout in BoomiFlow lets you create and structure a page or a complex form to show your users in an app. You will name your page and then select a new page layout. If it were an already created page layout that we were working with, you would select Edit Page Layout. We will discuss pages and how to develop them a little more in the next activity. You can also select a page that has already been created from the drop-down list.